If we compare the figures of last 10 years, then we can bilkul confidently say that this is the best, tourist footfall ever we had during last 10 years. Keeping in view the pandemic situation and then other challenges also, we could have this kind of better footfall because of a vigorous campaign we followed within whole country, different locations.
टूरिज़्म एकदम हमारे लिए बड़ी इंडस्ट्री है। हमारा वाबस्तगी उसी टूरिज़्म के साथ है। हमारा घर का चूल्हा इसी से चल रहा है। लोग अपना कामकाज इसी से बना रहे हैं। तो बहुत टाइम से हमारा यहाँ पे काम नहीं था, तो अभी हम भी खुश है कि टूरिस्ट लोग आ रहे हैं, तो हम भी उनको वेलकम कर रहे हैं।
I feel that before we die, we should visit to Kashmir. Kashmir is heaven, heaven on earth, and Tulip Garden is one of the things which I have not seen in my life. It's so beautiful, and the best season to come is this season, where you can see the flowers grown, and it's beautiful. And I feel that we all are so happy because 2 years we were all suffering with COVID, so we are all back to life.
The climate is really good, and I have known that it's a real beautiful place to visit, and it's really great. We had a real nice time here, and the condition has really improved in Kashmir than previous times, and terrorist attacks and things like that. It has really improved.
Yeah, okay. You are listening. This is it.